guys, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna do Runaway Rabbit. This is this cute little rabbit. I love this rabbit stamp from IOD and the Farm Animal stamps. So I'm trying to use every single one of them this month so we can do a fun different project and you'll think, my gosh, I've got to have that stamp. And I came up with this little guy. It's a vintage image, like an old litho. And what I did was I had to add an extra leg to him, and he was riding a bike, and I cut that out and put a stick in his arm. But the template's gonna be really easy to follow, and let's just get started. Okay, so in the template we have, you're gonna get this guy. So you can print him out onto an ivory paper, whatever color paper you want. I used a dark cardstock, so he came out a little bit darker. And then what you wanna do, after you do that, cut him out. And then we're going to stamp the IOD rabbit onto this heavy brown cardstock. Then we're going to cut him out too. Okay, let's get this guy cut out. I've got him cut out and I just want him a little bit brighter, so I'm just going to add a little bit of clear wax on him. It was easier to put it on before I put the project together. A little wax on that guy, a little wax on this guy. So I'm going to hot glue his leg onto the back. So you want to make sure when you cut him, you cut right between there. It's just a slice there. This is where I had to add his extra leg onto his body. And he will just ride, and if you put him in the right spot, you can see the bottom of the boot. I only glued the back on so it looks like he's a little more 3D. So I'm just going to put some glue right there. And then it's like that. And then I'm gonna take my paper wire again. And I have a video, it's called Paper Wire, I think. And it shows you, and there's a link there to show you where I get it from. So I'm just gonna cut a piece and fold it in half. And it works really well on him. I only need one. I only need one piece because this leg is a little higher. So I'm just gonna make a little loop here and then just twist this. Put a little glue here. Set for a second. Then you're just going to bend this around so it gets him so he stands the way you like him to stand. So now let's just get his rope around his neck. I'm going to poke a hole just above this stick in between his two hands. Just be real careful not to rip your cardstock. So I have a little knot in back. What I did, just because I didn't want to see the extra strings, I just put a little bit of hot glue in the back, but you don't need to. You can let the strings hang or do a bow. And I just held that down for a second. Then I'm gonna trim it short. There we go. And now you have a runaway rabbit, probably looking for your delivery chicken. So like I say, if one is good, 20 is better. So have fun, make your runaway rabbits. Happy Easter.